Good morning. So it is 8:41 on Wednesday. Hurricane Ann is going to be coming, I guess, at 2 p.m. today. So we're just heading to the warehouse before we hunker down. We just wanted to move the trailers inside our warehouse. Anyways, I wanted to do a quick lay of the land, what's happening right now, and take a look at our new street because our entire street is new construction. And the builder did not put anything inside the houses. There's just like concrete blocks and things like that everywhere. So I just figured, why not take it before the storm and see what it looks like, and then after the storm. So here we go. Houses are pretty much done, but to the left of our house, lots of construction, and you can clearly see there's tons of things inside the houses. But
yeah,
all right, shuttered up. Everybody took it very serious. Oh, except for those guys.
No, they have shutters.
Oh, but look at all this new construction. They're probably thinking all the same thing.
So those are the soft panels. So none of them do.
They probably look, Lance. Across the road is all the new construction, though. Like behind us.
So those have their like sheets on all those. So that must have been the time. Yeah, everybody's boarded up.
Is that pretty crazy to have cranes out?
That's what I was thinking, right? You have 4 cranes on a freaking board. Funny enough, that hurricane comes through here. I just have a feeling this Oh, it looks like they have pilings all the way around it, though. Oh, they did. They put pilings all the way around it. So it's more of a floating dock.
Wonder what that's gonna happen. It's already like putting water in the trenches here.
Yeah, I noticed that our house has a little bit of water there. We have that retention pond out the back.
Right there, up high.
Oh, it's like on a hill too.
Oh God!
A little over 2 more cranes here.
Why would they leave the cranes like this, like so close to?
I don't know, to be honest with you. Like everything is just left.
Huh?
I don't think we have insurance, so fuck it.
Interesting. Or maybe they were busy putting their houses together and their families are more important than vehicles, construction equipment. Look at that dumpster, just hanging.
Tony, he might lose a dumpster, my friend.
The one time you don't want your logo on something inside someone's house. Oh God, that's terrible. What dark humor. Look at this. The interstate looks so empty. What are you doing? What is that? Oh my gosh. That's kind of eerie.
Yeah.
How like quiet it is right now.
There's some traffic. This doesn't bother me. We're the only ones that bother me. I think in about an hour when we're heading back, it's going to be pretty eerie. Because it's due to touchdown at 12 or 2, yeah.
They
Need to find some sod for the girls, too.
100. Look at those little
155 mile an hour.
These are all new construction made out of wood.
Yeah.
Oh God. You're not speeding.
70.
Oh wow, a first in Kramer history, not speeding on the interstate.
Get damaged very quickly. And if the traffic signals aren't working, treat all intersections as a four-way stop to avoid collisions. In Charlotte Lee counties, I mean, you're going to end up in situations.
There he is. All right, here we go. I'm gonna bring the trailers inside. It's gonna be so much nicer. I don't know why those are there. Lance is gonna do this. Very interesting. Alright, here we are. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's hitting at 1.
They said we're gonna start feeling it at 11, so we had about 2 hours. You see, it's pretty heavy. This is definitely a tropical storm here.
Yeah.
The winds, you can feel the gusts of the dust. The truck's heavy.
Yeah, it's definitely pushing us around. The Skyway is closed. Look at that. The Skyway is definitely closed. Very few cars on the road. Oh yeah, definitely pushing us around. I feel it crazy. Hey, are you drunk? Alright, and then here we are on our main road, which I'll be interested in seeing.
Your seatbelt on?
Oh yeah, let me put that on. There's not a car in sight here.
We got 2 cars.
Oh, there's one right under the bridge, just chilling.
Yeah.
The interstate.
Oh, I hope northbound's clear. Yeah, northbound's clear.
Wow, look at that. I don't think I've ever seen the road this empty.
What are we on, Wednesday?
It's the Wednesday. God, we stopped to get the mail, and Lance is now in the rain trying to jump the truck. Oh God.